Dear students, very good morning. So in this video we are going to learn about the median test. As we know that there are two types of tests we have for testing of hypothesis, which are parametric tests and non-parametric tests. I have explained in my previous classes that if the data follows normal distribution, then we need to apply parametric tests. But if the data do not if the data do not satisfies the condition of normality, then we have to apply non-parametric tests. So did you remember while discussing about parametric tests, we have discussed about Z test to test two samples with two means. Now when the data satisfies non-normal, then we cannot test two means of two samples. Then we have to test the medians of the sample. So median test is used to test whether two samples having same mean or different mean. I repeat, the objective of median test is to know whether two samples having same median or not. So here in the null hypothesis we have to take while taking null hypothesis we need to take both the independent samples having same median. In the alternate we have to take both the samples having different median. Coming to the procedure, surely we will be given two samples, and in the step 1 we have to pool all those observations. Pooling means we will mix all those observations and we will arrange them into ascending order. So after that we will find out the median in the second step. Got it? So after finding the median, combined median for all the observations, then we have to form a table like this. So sample 1, sample 2. So first column is observations with the above median, below or equal to median. This is P, Q, RS and so on. So this is easy, no need to worry, I will explain. And when the n value is less than or equal to 20, your formula is n1 Cp into n2 Cq divided by n1 plus n2 Cp plus Q. And this is the formula for more than 20. So now I will explain an example for median test. So this is an example I am going to explain. So here the question is, in a computer company the incremental monthly sales revenues are randomly selected sales regions against two different strategies: increased warranty period and increased price discounts. And this means they have collected data on two aspects. One is increased warranty and increased discounts, and all the data is summarized in the following table. Check whether the samples from the two populations with the same median or not. So sales regions were given, increased warranty periods were given, and increased price discounts were given. So let's move with step 1, that is null hypothesis. So null hypothesis, this is the step 1, H0. I told you now, this is nothing but in this step we will write, let's take the two, what are these? These are the two strategies. The two strategies which are increased warranty period and increased price discounts having same median. Coming to alternate hypothesis, bracket H1, we need to take opposite na. So the two strategies having different median. Now coming to step 3, level of significance. So it was bracket alpha, it was given that it's 5%, given alpha is equal to 5%. Okay, now coming to test statistic. So in the test statistic, we have to follow the procedure. First of all, we have to pool all these observations. Pooling is nothing but mixing. So we will pool all these 7 and these 6, and we will write ascending order. So I am writing ascending order. So the list is 20, next is 23, next is 25, next is 27, 28, 30, this is 30, so this is the ascending order of all these observations. Once we get ascending order, our target is we have to find out median. So median is a total 13 observations we have. So median is nothing but 8th observation. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you leave so it will be, so if you leave first 6 and last 6, then the middle one will be the 7th one. So this is called our median. So median is equivalent to 35. So once you finish the median, now we need to, now this is the table we have to follow. Now our median is equal to 35. Now we have to find out, see, this is sample 1 and this is sample 2. Now here I have written the number of observations which are above median in sample 1. So P is nothing but the number of observations which are above median in sample 1. So suppose if you see this is sample 1 and our median is equal to 35. Let's see how many are above 35. So this is 1, 2, 3. So 3 are, so there are 3 observations which are above median. Then obviously, see total 7, so obviously remaining will be 4. Now we have to find out how many are there. Wait. So in sample 1, there are 3 observations which are above to median. So in sample 1, there are totally 7 subsamples. So 3 above median ante obviously 4 will be below median. Similarly in sample 2, let's find out how many are above median. Median is 35, so above are 1, 2, 3. So 3 are above median, and obviously in sample 2 we have only 6 kabatti, remaining 6 are below median. Okay, so once we get all this, then we can find out test statistic. So test statistic is calculated by N1 CP into N2 CQ divided by N1 plus N2 C P plus Q. So this is the formula for median test. So N1 means number of subsamples in first sample. So that is we have 7, so 7 C, P means 3 into N2 lo 6 unnai, so 6 C, Q means 3 divided by N1 plus N2 means 13 C, P plus Q means 3 plus 3 6. So this implies 7C3 means 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 4 factorial into 3 factorial. This implies 7, 6, 5, 4 will be cancelled by 3 to 6, 6 cancelled. So it implies 35 into 63 is equivalent to 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So 6 into 5 into 4, that remaining 3 will be cancelled, divided by 6. Go 3 factorial 6, so 6 5 is 20 divided by 13c6 na 13c6 means 13 factorial by 13 minus 6 7 factorial into 6 factorial. So this will give us 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. So this implies, so I have simplified this combination. So 35 into 20, this is equal to 700 divided by 13 into 11 into 2 6 plus 12. 11 into 12. It implies 1716, which implies 700 divided by 1716. It will give us 0.40. So 0.40 is the test statistic value of median test. So for median test we have to use t table only. So I have taken t table value from the table. So I have got 2.201 and my calculated value 0.40. So we can move for conclusion. So here calculated value is less than to table value, that is 0.40 is less than to 2.201. So therefore H0 is true and it may be accepted. It may be accepted. Hence, remember in null hypothesis what we have written, the two strategies having same median. So hence the two strategies have same median. So this is the answer for this question.